Eastern cultures, their wise people had an understanding of all the different herbs, and tea was like gold. Some thought it was so powerful that they wore it as a talisman. Tea was an elixir of wellness. The vision behind Rumi Rose Teas is to bring back the traditional way of healing within the teas. There's tremendous amount of healing within our green teas, black teas, white teas, rooibos, oolongs and fruit teas. Just like in a traditional pharmacy, we put together specific blends for different ailments within the body. Whether it's for detox, whether it's for clarity, whether for weight loss and to increase metabolism. There's papaya, mango, apple for enzymes. There are different herbs that help with a feeling of tranquility and wellness. There are black teas that help to energize and activate the mind. All sorts of different elements are infused within the teas. That is the traditional way of medicine, not only relying on pharmaceutical medicines but to balance it with God-given wellness within a cup.